Hello and welcome to my channel. In the last video we learned about how to install and set up Python along with how to set up Python path. Today in this video we are gonna learn about how to install and set up Pycharm. As you might know, Pycharm is one of the best IDE available in the market to use with Python. In order to install Pycharm you must have Python installed. If you don't have Python installed, please check the link in the description below. So let's get started. To install Pycharm, we first need to download Pycharm. Let's open any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, you can use any. And let's go to any search engine. Let's go to google.com and search the keyword Pycharm. Look for the website which is redirecting you to jetbrain.com. Click on it. Once on the JetBrains website, look for the blue download button on the top right hand corner. Click on it. It will take you to another web page for download. Here you can see there are two options available. As we are going with free version of Pycharm, we will be selecting Community Edition. Click on the download button and your download will begin. Download is now completed. Let's set up Pycharm. Find the download notification on bottom and right click on it and select open. This should open Windows Security dialog. Click yes and you should be able to see Pycharm installer interface. Once open, click on next, next, again on next and hit install. This will start installing Pycharm on your machine. Once the installation is successfully done, click on this little checkbox and hit finish. This will launch Pycharm for very first time on your machine. Let's accept the agreement. Click I confirm. Click on continue. Here you can select any option. And this will launch Pycharm for very first time on your machine. It will take some boot up time. As you can see, it's loading. Give it a little booting up time. And once it's finished, we should be greeted with the project window. Let's set up Pycharm for very first time. Click on Create New Project. Let's name our project something better than Untitled. Let's call it Test. As you can see, Pycharm is unable to find Python interpreter. So let's set it up our interpreter. I'm going with existing interpreter. Let's click on the drop down to find whether Pycharm is able to find it or not. In this case, it's not. So let's click the three dots here. Let's configure it manually. Click on System Interpreter and Pycharm should be able to find our system interpreter automatically. If it's not, see here, it's able to find it out. But if it's not, click on the three dots and we can provide the path directly here. Let's cancel it. Click on OK. Click on Create. And as you can see, we are in the Pycharm window. It's giving us some tips. Let's cancel it for this time. Create a new file. Right click on the project name. Click New. Click Python file. Let's name our file test file and hit enter. So our Python file is here. Let's try to print hello world. Oops. Print hello world. To run this, let's right click on our file. As you can see, there is no run button at this moment. Don't worry, this is pretty normal for very first time use. What Pycharm is trying to do is trying to build indexes for our Python. Those indexes will help speed up the runs. Pycharm is trying to build indexes for all the libraries which are currently installed in Python. Let it do its job. It should not take more than few minutes. Once the indexing is done, right click on the file. You should be able to see the run button. Click on it. And as you can see, our hello world is printed in the terminal. That concludes our Pycharm is correctly installed and set up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and if you like my videos, please subscribe so you are always first to know I posted a new video. Thank you and have a great day.